This look right here quite literally sums up the last 2 days for me. I got the spicy flu for the second time right after New Year's. I know that I got this because I was telling myself that I needed to slow down before Christmas. I needed to have a break from social media. I needed to have a break from socializing. Just energetically, I needed to have a break and just chill out. And I tried to do that. I did. But for some reason, I still booked myself into things that were like very energetically exhausting. And then I spent the new year in a like beautiful, beautiful house in the hinterland with like a bunch of friends. And it was amazing. Definitely well worth it. But after all of that, I was just so drained energetically and just so empty at the end of it all, and must have just been at a very energetically low space where I could just catch this cold. So I have been bedridden for the past couple of days. Today I still tested positive, but I'm feeling much better energetically. I just have like all of the head cold symptoms at the moment, and like the headache. But I just wanted to do like a day of just like freshening myself up, giving myself a makeover, and just feeling good externally to hopefully help my internal catch up to that too. I have a lot to catch you up on, a lot to chat about too, so very excited for that. First up, I'm showering, cleaning this mop. It's very overdue, and shedding my legs. Never thought I'd be so excited for a shower. I'm gonna let my hair semi-dry, and then I'm gonna style it with this spinny thing that blows out air but brushes at the same time. And it used to make my hair look so nice, and I always felt so fresh and good, like I had a blowout whenever I use that. So today I'm gonna use that because I know that it always makes me feel good about my hair. But right now I'm gonna go downstairs and have some of my morning supplements to help me feel better, because right now I'm still a little bit like dry in the head. Like I don't really know how to explain that, but I still feel like I have the head cold, the headache, and just like dry in the head. Just remember that I actually haven't given you guys a house tour. I promised it in my last video. I mean, I cut that part out when I was editing because I forgot. But the house is looking pretty good right now, so I thought while I'm downstairs with my camera, I'll show you around. I'll start with our living room area. So we just have this beautiful big open living room here. It's so white. We're literally the first people to live in this place. It's stunning. And then it goes out to the back patio. We have our makeshift TV stand at the moment. We're still figuring out what we're going to do there because it's a very small wall with a very big TV. And then we just have like an extra bathroom, the garage, laundry, and everything around that corner. And then you turn around to our beautiful kitchen. I am absolutely obsessed with this space here. We have the most beautiful like marble detail. I don't think it's actual marble, but it's just like a printed marble bench top. It's so stunning. We have this massive walk-in pantry as well. It's literally perfect because there's like a few of us living here, so it works so well for us all. And then the dining space here, that's pretty self-explanatory. Honestly, this whole entire space is just like, it's so open. There's so many windows. It's amazing. Honestly, a dream. Just have our cute little backyard space. That's the super basic house tour. Upstairs is literally just bedrooms and bathrooms. Like that's all it is. I did say I wanted a place with white walls and like very bright, a lot of natural light. Like that's what I was saying I wanted, and I guess I got it, but better. It's a very windy day, so I hope you can hear me, but I've just taken myself on a little bit of a walk since I have the spicy flu. I can't go to the gym. I don't want to get anyone else sick. So taking myself for the walk. I literally have so much energy. Like I have never had this much energy in my life, and it's so weird that like I'm on day 4, so I still feel like but I feel weirdly energized. I did get my monthly at the exact same time that I got this flu, so I think my cycle's just like resetting right now, which is why I feel so energized. But I need to figure out how to feel like this every single day naturally. Like I don't want to have to wait for that time of the month to finally feel energized and inspired. Like I want to figure out how to feel like this every single day. I'm just feeling really inspired today to like create a bunch of content and just do so much stuff. This is a really long talk. I'm gonna make this quick, but I feel like there's a certain life I want to be living. I have like a big vision, a big dream. I know that like in order to achieve that, I have to start showing up as the person who is already living that dream, if that makes any sense. Like I have to start showing up and doing the daily routines that that person in my dream would be doing, and speaking like that person would be speaking, and making decisions like that person in my dream would be making decisions. So that's just who I'm showing up as in 2023, because we are building the vision and it's happening now. explain a happy dance to me. I need the science behind that. Good morning. It is the most beautiful day today. Literally blue, clear skies, so sunny. The sun is so beautiful and it's so early in the morning. I'm starting to work on getting into the sun more, especially within the first few hours of the day, like getting some natural sunlight, because it's really good for your like body clock and just literally overall health. So I'm gonna go sit by the pool and get a little tan. This Gold Coast sun is just crazy for tanning. Now I understand why everyone here is so tanned. Oh my gosh, you've got stories to tell. Are you telling me stories? Oh my gosh. Hey. Hi. I just got back from the pool and I was reading a book, and it talks a lot about like your habits and how like every small little habit leads to who you'll ultimately end up being, like from what you decide to eat, like deciding to exercise or not, or just like what you decide to consume on like social media, things like that. And it was just like very interesting to read. So I'm going to be very conscious of my decisions and the things that I decide to do and my actions and everything like that. I also had a funny story to talk about. Over the New Year's period, I decided that I was going to take a break off social media and not really put much effort into it over the next year. It wasn't progressing as much as I wanted, and I just feel like I wanted to focus the energy on other areas of my life. But obviously that's not the case because I'm here vlogging right now. I was reflecting a lot on my videos from last year and like how much my channel has grown. Like even though it's been very slight, I did gain a lot of growth throughout last year. Like just even an experience and quality of my videos has really leveled up. I decided that I'm just gonna keep going with YouTube. I'm just gonna be more like messy with it. I don't think I'm gonna put as much like thinking effort into it, if that makes sense. You never know what kind of growth the next year can bring. So I'm just gonna keep doing it. I absolutely love making videos. Do you wanna play with the ball? Ready? Pass it. Chest up. Pass it. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Bring it in. Come on. Ready? He does this chasey thing. He doesn't like to give it to you. He likes you to chase him for it. Chest up. Gotcha. I'm gonna start doing my vision board for 2023. I'm so excited. I've got everything printed out and cut out. I've got my cardboard ready to go. I just thought I would talk you through how I actually came up with my vision board. So I kind of sectioned it off in groups. I came up with a travel pile, business and career kind of pile, lifestyle pile, and me pile. So what I want my life to look like, what I want to look like, who I want to be showing up as, just the vibes of what I want to be. I just have a pile here of quotes and like digital things. There's a couple of things in here that I don't want to show the camera because I want to keep it all to myself for now. And then of course I just have my big 2023 to go in the middle. I started a Pinterest board, and then what you can do, there's an option to like add a section in a board. So then I was just compiling all of these photos into each section. Before I did all of that, I sat down and did just a visualization meditation. So I sat back and I visualized what do I want my life to look like? Who do I want to be showing up? How does it feel? What are my habits? And then I kind of started looking for photos that represented or could kind of like match that vision. They're all photos that inspire me towards that vision, so that every day I wake up and I'm like, yes, I can see it, because I'm a very visual person. Board is almost done. I've just got to pop it in the frame now. I've taken 2 parts off because that's not quite ready for the public eye, and then I just have a few quotes, a few like mantras, just so I can constantly be reading those things, because I'm really trying to change my money attitude this year. I'm working on my relationship with money. Oh my god, wait. Okay, the final touches on there. I forgot I wanted to add a $100 note to the vision board so I see money every single day. That's a part of like working on my relationship with money, just to see the money, physical money, every single day. Coco, you're just the cutest little girl in the whole wide world and you don't even know it. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. I'm just finishing off editing this vlog now. Thought I might just finish it off so I can get this uploaded tomorrow, ready to go. Just to keep this ending super short and sharp. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did enjoy this video and want to see more content. Also, leave down in the comments below if you have any video ideas, if there's anything you want to see from me, anything you want me to talk about, leave it in the comments below so then I can keep an eye out for it for future videos. But I will see you in my next video. Bye.